Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tom yum rice. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including about 200 grams of shrimp, 100 grams of sliced mushrooms, and aromatic herbs like lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves. Next, ensure you have approximately 2 cups of cooked jasmine rice, ideally cooled. Finally, prepare your tom yum paste, fish sauce, and fresh lime juice for authentic flavor. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a wok or large pan over medium-high heat. Add your shrimp and sauté for about 2 minutes until they turn pink and are just cooked. Remove the shrimp and set aside. Next, add the sliced mushrooms to the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until they soften. Then, add the aromatic herbs. It's time to bring the flavors together. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of tom yum paste to the pan, along with 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and a small pinch of sugar. Stir well to combine these ingredients. Now, add your cooled jasmine rice to the pan. Use your spatula to break up any clumps and gently toss everything together, ensuring the rice is evenly coated with the fragrant tom yum sauce. For the final touches, return the cooked shrimp to the pan and gently fold them into the rice mixture. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and a generous handful of chopped cilantro. Serve your delicious tom yum rice immediately, garnished with extra cilantro and a lime wedge. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.